Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Umenye.
Stibos, I'm very disappointed namhlanje Stibos. Ucoach wami nokumdefender ne. But amasapo wakhe namhlanje awangisebenzelanga.
Ayaphi.
Utito out yami yazi.
Sure.
Ngakhuluma ngawo. Utito angeke asivusele igame. Utito kungcono aqale ngegame simsape. You understand? Umahopo wa support uthi angaphuma.
Sure.
Ukwayiba akaze yadlala ku Pirates udlala 2 games or ngakhe. Angeke ngidli Sundowns ngokwayiba mfowethu.
Aloka ngadlala.
Bekumele ayeke ungwana sese aphushe nabo lapha. You understand? Unemtanjela okay uye uyasimakela ukhathele unemtanjela asuseni umbatha mfowethu angeke sofaka ugwayiba uzosenzelana ugwayiba angisho ukuthi ngiyablame ama player wami I'm disappointed ku coach namhlanje uyazi amasapo wakhe nasena spread ngiyatshela ukuthi amasapo wakhe ayaspanel mara today hayi angazibeka bhemini namhlanje mshaya imbulele namhlanje maybe udlule ngasemaraba start kune dust lapha wathola ukuthi amphanda udrope nosibilibili usibilibili bangekho nakule ebenchini angazi kwenzakalani you understand umremi was out ngabe siyazi ukuthi usubani usibilibili mfowethu understand but namhlanje ibench Pirates namhlanje bengajabulisa uthami bengajabulisa and labantu bayifele namhlanje bayifele bona and bona mabangangithola nginje bangishabo ma6 bona bangangibulala you understand thina sibayekile labantu bekumele sibabulele lapha yamuzwa lo muntu weSundowns osuka la uthi usiyema is the man of the match iSundowns ayishayanga 5 touch namhlanje thatha ayishayanga you understand usiyema udlalile umfana omncane man of the match uye mfowethu
ngiyakubamba
ngiyabonga
thank you Menyera